Traveling with your dog can be incredibly rewarding. It's a chance to strengthen your bond, explore the world together, make memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine sniffing out hidden trails, sharing picnics in picturesque parks, your dog, your adventure buddy, right by your side. Traveling with your dog is more than just a vacation. It's about experiencing the world in a whole new way. Through their eyes, every sight is a wonder, every smell a story. And the best part, they're always up for an adventure, big or small. But successful adventures require preparation. Just like you pack your bags, your dog needs their travel essentials too. Food, water, bowls, leash, collar with ID tags, a favorite toy or two. These are just the basics. Don't forget a recent photo in case your furry friend decides to explore solo. Remember, traveling with a dog is about sharing the journey, the laughter, the discoveries, the unconditional love. These are the moments that make it all worthwhile. So pack your bags, grab your leash, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure with your four-legged best friend. Before embarking on your adventure, a visit to the vet is essential. Make sure your dog is up to date on vaccinations. Get a clean bill of health for travel. Discuss any potential concerns specific to your destination, like parasites or diseases. Next, gather the necessary documents. Proof of rabies vaccination is crucial, especially for international travel. Some countries may require additional paperwork, like health certificates or import permits. Research well in advance to avoid any last-minute surprises. Packing for your dog is just as important as packing for yourself. Familiar items like their bed, blanket, or toys can provide comfort in unfamiliar surroundings. Pack enough food and treats for the entire trip, especially if your dog has dietary restrictions. Don't forget a first aid kit for your furry friend. Include essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any medications your dog might need. Remember, preparation is key to a safe and enjoyable trip for both of you. Traveling by car. Secure your dog in a well-ventilated crate or with a dog seatbelt. Frequent stops for potty breaks and stretching are essential, especially on long journeys. Never leave your dog unattended in a parked car, as temperatures can soar quickly. Air travel with a dog requires careful planning. Contact the airline well in advance to understand their specific requirements and restrictions. Choose a direct flight whenever possible to minimize stress on your dog. Train travel can be a more relaxing option for some dogs. Look for pet-friendly train companies and book in advance. Keep your dog on a leash at all times and be mindful of other passengers. No matter the mode of transport, always prioritize your dog's safety and comfort. A calm and assertive energy from you will help them stay relaxed throughout the journey. Europe is a haven for dog-loving travelers. Stroll through the charming streets of Paris, where sidewalk cafes welcome furry companions. Explore the rolling hills of Tuscany, with vineyards offering dog-friendly wine tastings. For a beach getaway, head to Croatia's dog-friendly coastline. With designated dog beaches and crystal-clear waters, it's a paradise for both you and your pup. And don't miss the Swiss Alps, where hiking trails offer breathtaking views and endless sniffing opportunities. In the USA, the possibilities for dog-friendly adventures are endless. Hike the scenic trails of Yosemite National Park with its towering redwoods and cascading waterfalls. Explore the rugged beauty of Acadia National Park in Maine, where dog-friendly trails wind along the Atlantic coast. For a city escape, head to Seattle, a haven for dog owners with its numerous parks, off-leash areas, and dog-friendly businesses. And no trip to the USA is complete without experiencing the vibrant city of Austin, Texas, known for its live music scene and welcoming attitude towards dogs.